This cool, we get to see a waterfall on this random tunnel over there. Right. Look, the water. There's Bridal Veil Falls. Look, there's some water. Oh, that's so cold. Look, it's the falls again. Look at that log thing. Yeah. There's parkour back across. Yeah. Keep jumping. We made it. Look at the birds. Looks very cool, am I right, guys? Yeah. Looks like a nice day. Alright, yeah. This water feels nice. Yeah. Oh look, pine cone. Another pine cone. Let's throw them in the river. Yeah, but let's try not to throw ourselves in the river. Yeah, let's do it like rugby. Touchdown, boy!